If you want to get 7 times more responses on LinkedIn, start using voice notes. Stay tuned in this video to discover how you can automate your LinkedIn voice notes or personalize them one by one for at least 10 replies every single week. Just cut my hair, my girlfriend. Right. LinkedIn voice messages allow you to break away from traditional text and add a human element to your messages. Why text when you can talk? Convey your emotions, tone, and personality much more effectively with a simple voice message. Now, before, you used to have to use your phone to manually record voice messages one by one. Not very attractive and not possible to do at scale. Now let's look at how easy it is to send those messages using Lemlist. First, add a voice message as a new step in your campaign. Choose your sender. Remember, voice messages are personal, so only one sender at a time. Select your preferred audio input and hit record. You have 1 minute to make an impression, though I'd recommend keeping it to less than 20 seconds if you can. If you need to personalize further in the review section, you can tailor messages for individual leads. Edit or redo your recordings as needed, and you'll have messages that fit each recipient perfectly. What does it mean? It means you get more replies. So what are the benefits of using voice messages on LinkedIn? Well, it makes you stand out. In an inbox full of text messages, a voice message sets you apart, making your message more memorable than the 200 normal messages your ICP gets every week. Speaking personally, I open and reply to every single voice message I receive. When it comes to building connections, voice messages can make your leads feel valued and heard, establishing trust more effectively than just a quick text. Now, by making the effort to record yourself, sending a voice message shows you're invested in that lead more so than a quick text. What does it mean? More replies. In terms of increasing responses, personalized voice messages have been shown to improve response rates by 7x, which ultimately is the aim of the game. Finally, enhance your multi-channel outreach campaigns and see better results by integrating voice messages, whether it's securing meetings or closing deals. It's not emails or LinkedIn steps in 2024. You can very easily do both. If you want to voice your way to better connections and results on LinkedIn, give it a try with the Lemlist for free via the link in the description down below.